Kurumjari, a very good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV, and this is Victoria Rajkumari. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines first. Opposition MLA K. Ranjit raises the issue on non-declaration of results for multitasking staff's recruitment in the ongoing assembly session. Education Minister says government will try to declare the results after assembly session. Rajya Sabha MP Desam draws the attention of Parliament towards slow progress in construction of National Sports University. And Myanmar leaders agrees to make joint efforts in restoring peace and normalcy in Jiribam district. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our dearest viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform, SKTV, in Manipur that can be watched globally. Now to top stories. On the third day of Manipur Legislative Assembly session, issues ranging from internally displaced persons to law and order and situation in border areas were brought up for discussion today. Opposition MLA K. Ranjit raised the issue on non-declaration of result for multitasking staff's recruitment. The MLA maintained that the interview for the recruitment was held in 2016 but was cancelled in 2017, and later in 2019 the interview for recruitment of 413 MTS was held again. However, candidates are yet to get the result. The MLA also reminded that Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen, in an interview on SKTV News, had given assurance to declare the result for the multitasking staff's recruitment after the Lok Sabha election. Replying to query, Education Minister Thangnaucham Basantakumar said government will try to declare the result for the recruitment exam after the completion of the ongoing assembly session.
Candidate 27,000 above Sigi live say S bar of Germany Tambangamdre. Finance and constraint labadagi, Tabak Haido Pungamdre, Hydra Hybrid of Minasar, Sarkar Sina, Hydra posings of Kowumatam to the finance and constraint latabra. Karamba Matam, finance and constraint labasing say, Kwok Pungam with Oribano. I see McCunning is finance and constraint Adum Lairagadabina, Education Department gi, multitasking staff ki result outside. Se Haidok Laroi Hana Lautok Yarabra. Lautok Loy the recruitment say, where the Kari don't notice Topirino, Sidang Sengopi.
Shortage lay. Adubu 2019 the Taukiba DPC do Hosik 19 the COVID Lakiba Adugalunana. Hosiki present law and order situations Labsina Maram Weraga. Hosiki financially Kitang tight Webana Maram Weraga Tuna Haizabani Adubu Akoi Atu Matam the government Kiwa. Honorable Leader of the House, Katana, Honorable Speaker, sir, I date to fix Tauraga. Honorable again.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen informed that the centre has sanctioned a total amount of 79 crore and 17 lakh rupees for construction of permanent infrastructure for settlement of 50 companies of central forces in Manipur today. Chief Minister was responding to a question of opposition MLA T.H. Lokeshwar regarding expenditure for security personnel who had been deployed in vulnerable areas of the state. Chief Minister, who is also handling Home Department, said government get reimbursement from security-related scheme for all the expenditure. Home Department is taking care of all necessities.
Accommodation of 50 company of central forces center state police ka mix central government already 79.16 crore sanction torokre aduga mafam kharada hojik sabagi thabak kanna sathari athu matamda si loiraga dinga sagi moina thengnari ba ising ga waba toilet ga waba kai problems do solve torani na mai thamjage.
On the other hand, opposition MLA K. Ranjit also raised the issue of action initiated against investigating officers who have failed to file charge sheet in time. The MLA maintained that a total of 37,976 FIRs were filed in the last 5 years. However, only 2,332 charge sheets were filed for these FIR. Responding to the query, Chief Minister said many FIRs were registered on cases with no merit and those attracting no punishment. That's why the number of charge sheet is low. He added a total of 11,892 FIRs were registered during the ongoing violent crisis which started in May last year. A special cell will be constituted to monitor against investigating officers who have failed to file charge sheet.
FIR target pasi ekoi norms ta mai lairisi 6 months phaugi manungda FIR si target kadabani 6 months phaugi manungda FIR si target ragadi subject to correction court na any culprit bail pigi baya aduga 6 months ki mamang sida FIR thagal horogadi madugi culprit to thadokna adum manunga thamaga tawya aduna maximum 6 months ki manungda FIR si target kadabani haiba madugi convention amadi adum ekhoida laibani adubu laibok tibidi khoigi case merit chi yawbo yawdaba su laiba aduna merit yawbo khangduga yam khankalaga tawba adubu honorable member ki concern ru ai bhab tai criminal sim da chawat poina delay to why justice delay justice deny han laibani na do ayam thuna pick up torkanda tawhonnaba award pasing sei mamangi su leram bai sida natana adu kari kari legi award pa du ya kada masigi tongan ba sel ama ha kada masi monitor tongna bai thamdi thamabani yam thuna thatrugi menunga thaga taboge SI oiro inspector oiro whatever IO oiro singdo adu punish toksi khosi na hujimaki oina punish hobo khotpa leitri aduga casing si kaisu fail oire hena lobudu dilangani akoi merit leiba maram saba sin soidana akoi athu matam da charge thagal halaga chap saba logi action do lokona na bai tawjage hadana bai thongsa.
Meanwhile, raising a question about a planning department, MLA Surya Kumar inquired how many internally displaced persons beneficiaries are there under One Family, One Livelihood mission. The MLA also inquired on the status of loan repayment. He also urged the Leader of the House to convert the loan of internally displaced persons into grant. Replying to MLA Surya Kumar, Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren said there are 391 internally displaced person beneficiaries under One Family, One Livelihood mission. Government will make further efforts to cover more beneficiaries under the mission. While maintaining that turning the loan into grant will discourage IDP, Chief Minister said government will always consider the matter concerning internally displaced persons with certain leniency. Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Laisemba Sanajauba drew the attention of Parliament demanding government to expedite the construction of National Sports University NSU in Manipur today. MP Sanajauba raised the matter during 0 hour of the ongoing Parliament session. Drawing attention of the House, MP Sanajauba said the university, once completed, will be one of its kind. The National University Bill was first tabled in 2017 and it was enacted in 2018. The acquisition of land for the construction of the university was completed at Imphal West District's Kautruk, but the construction of infrastructure is lagging behind and continuing at a slow pace. The MP urged the relevant ministry to look into the matter and ensure that the construction work is completed at the earliest so that sportspersons in the country can benefit from the ambitious project.
After getting adequate lands for construction at Kautruk, a village in Imphal West District, Manipur, the progress of infrastructural construction and other related works are very slow. Sir, there may be many reasons for this delay, but it should be expedited at any cost in the interest of our sportspersons across the nation. So, I humbly urge the Union Government and the concerned ministry to expedite the ongoing infrastructural work of National Sports University so that it may be fully functional at the earliest.
In what can be seen as a positive step towards restoration of peace, representatives of the Meitei and Mar communities have reached an agreement to make concerted efforts to restore normalcy in the Jittapam district, which has been hit by violence. The agreement was reached at a meeting held at a CRPF facility in Kasar, Assam yesterday. The meeting, moderated by the Jittapam district administration, Assam Rifles and CRPF personnel, also included representatives from the Thado, Paite and Mizo communities of Jittapam district. The joint statement issued after the meeting confirmed that both sides have committed to making full efforts to bring normalcy and prevent incidents of arson and firing. Both parties have pledged to cooperate fully with the security forces operating in the area and facilitate controlled and coordinated movement. The statement further maintained that another meeting will be held after August 15th. President of Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalop, in short Amkil, Laurembam Nganbi accuses India government of giving free hand to Kuki militant groups who have signed suspension of operation Sue Pact with government. Laurembam Nganbi said this while attending the 33rd Foundation Day observation of Advanced Women's Society, which was held at its hall in Awang Sekmai, Kaugjeng Lema in Imphal West today. Speaking further, Laurembam Nganbi said Kuki militants under Sue Pact could wage war to Meitei community as India government did not deter the Kuki militant groups. While accusing Indian government of indirectly supporting Kuki militant groups, Laurembam Nganbi highlighted the disparities while treating protesters in both valley and hills. She alleged that the government uses brute force, including tear gas shells, rubber bullets, while trying to disperse protesters in valley areas, while in hill areas, people are allowed to take out protests without any restrictions. While maintaining that the state government is almost as non-existent, Laurembam Nganbi said the central forces that are deployed in the state have failed to control the violence and have failed short in their duties to protect lives and properties of people. She further expressed her disappointment over the government failing to enact any law which could facilitate equal access to land by all communities in Manipur. While stressing on the crucial role of women in Manipur, Laurembam Nganbi appealed to people to not to get overwhelmed by Western culture and to remember the roots, culture and tradition of the land.
Manipur Mars Mars yana zero lamagi makada laiminagi bani adu oitaragadi India da lairiba situation duna khara Manipur da khara hanhaba aduga Manipur gi lejaram madu kitang lokthok khotok tana tauraga maduda article khare iraga da yanagi ba ma porakhi maduge article singdu ngasidi chuklei leitabadona India na taurakpa haibase mase Manipur India da Mars tawdabaga sab manare haiba wafam simadi miyam na thangnaraba wafam ni sin kuki na changai ba madi shu kuki na masagi shu gi artha leihandaba haiba se India government na indirectly support tawba maduna indirectly support tawba se direct support tawbu oina miyam da buhallage haiba wafam duni ina thamjariba.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur, through a press note, demanded Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane to retract his statement in the Assembly session, in which he had maintained the ongoing crisis in Manipur was triggered by High Court of Manipur order on the Scheduled Tribe demand of Meitei community. Condemning the statement of Chief Minister, SDDCM said the violent activities were reported in Kuki inhabited areas and nowhere else during the Tribal Solidarity March on May 3rd last year. Kuki communities started the violence by taking advantage of the Tribal Solidarity March. The committee has urged the Chief Minister to take back his statement, which contradicts his earlier statement, where he had maintained that the ongoing crisis broke out as government tried to stop illegal immigration, evict people from reserve forests, and for initiating war on drugs. Multiple landslides have rocked the National Highway number 37, preventing vehicular movements along the crucial highway. Incessant rain in the past few days have triggered landslides at various stretches of the Imphal to Desam National Highway. A landslide incident was reported today near Kaifundai Kuki village and Kaifundai Naga village, resulting to traffic halt at the area. Vehicles have been stranded along the highway due to the incident. Apex company has reportedly deployed excavators to remove the mud from the area. Meanwhile, in another incident of landslide, multiple cracks have appeared on the Thanga Kunjem Yenbi Path Road in Thanga Kunjen Laikai under Thanga constituency, creating fear among public when using the road that connects Thanga Kunjem Ward number 9, 7 and 12. The road is on the verge of slipping downward, causing panic among residences that was located below the road. Villagers have drawn the attention of relevant authority to take prompt action to fix the road and to avert any untoward incidents. Locals in Kairao Bitra in Imphal East District staged a sit-in protesting against the incident of physical assault on journalist Ramesh Chandra R.C. Mangangcha by an SI of Manipur Police. The protest was organized by Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibi Development Committee today. Speaking on the sidelines, President of the committee, Salam Madhumangol, condemned the attack on journalists and demanded action against the police officer. He further maintained that the committee will give its support in all the activities initiated by All Manipur Working Journalists Union. Meanwhile, Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar paid a visit to the residence of journalist R.C. Mangangcha to inquire about well-being and also provided monetary assistance to the journalist.
Police officer amana maki mama kin tindra ma yin hing ta dana yamna tamthiba miwe bagi adugumba sanabagi wangda asugumba press book khungauba akoi miwe bagi democratic right mangba singulba thodo asida akoi Kairao Bitragi oiba akoi gi maiki dagi asugumba pen dabagi akoi mifam asi phamjabani haiba police officer si athuba matamda terminate tobiu amadi maki loinrapa team sing adubu suspend tohno pami.
Federation of Civil Society Organization Fox Manipur has also condemned the police atrocities on protesters from relief camps by Manipur Police. It also condemned the use of tear gas shells near school where young children were attending classes. Fox further criticized the physical assault on journalists by a police officer and demanded action against the sub-inspector. Thoubal District Working Journalists Union, All Jiribam Working Journalists Union, All Bishnupur District Working Journalists Union have also condemned the incident of physical assault on journalist R.C. Mangangcha and demanded action against the police officer who attacked the journalist. They also condemned the use of force against the protesting internally displaced persons who were demanding for their rehabilitation at their respective homes. Meanwhile, Manipur Police has clarified that the police had to resort to firing tear gas shells as crowd turned unruly and started attacking police vehicles and pelted stones during a rally at Akampat yesterday. In a post on its X account, Manipur Police also appealed to the public not to post videos on social media which could create panic amongst public and students. It was referring to the videos that purportedly showed panicked students in classrooms who seemed terrified by sound of tear gas shells being fired by police near the school. Manipur Police also warned of strict legal action if anyone posts such videos that create panic among general masses. Democratic Students Alliances of Manipur, Desam, has demanded for the removal of chairman of Desam, Akam Joy Kumar, for allegedly involving in corrupt practice. Speaking to media persons at its head office in QUATA today, General Secretary of Desam, Nongthombam Thoithoiba, accuses Desam chairman of recruiting 5 staffs Desam on contract basis through corrupted practice. He added that 4 LDA staffs and a driver were recruited without publishing any advertisement or notification regarding their recruitment, which is a violation of its constitution. Upon complaining about the malpractice, in May this year, Manipur government, through a notice by Joint Secretary of Education S. Irengbam Sonia, announced the formation of 3-member inquiry committee to investigate in the matter. However, the inquiry committee has not shown any progress. While questioning the inaction, Desam urged the relevant authority to take necessary steps to find out the progress in the inquiry.
Joy Kumar hariba miyoi asina board ki secretary oina thopuri matamda mark tempering tawgi matangda inquiry committee miyoi humna sab inquiry committee ma sembusu lei madu semadu matongina magi aran oi tawge haibadagi board ki secretary gi phamdagi pawda koi lothokhiba lei re tare adubu aran matawi hariba miyoi do madu with promotion do na amu chairman mu hele aran matawda senagraba miyoi mabu board ki lothoga amu promotion do na chairman o hele putaragadi handaksu chairman oirkanda loan naronda board of secretary education ki manungda board member an haiba amalai board member sigi ayaba yaugna mana mato kram advertisement am bok tawdana thaba loksalam se masi asumani haigadoribra masina lalamu taragadi hanjin na crime da senaraba miyoi mabu asigum laba yam senglaba bosem gum ba pham amada thamdui se gari marang ki thamdoi no adu masi khula ta lothopam thoi aduga lothoi haragana aramba to miyoi sida honorable chief minister amadi education minister commissioner director na mangonda karamba post ama pirakanda award on lothokno gi sem saba leirage manipur government sigi authority ni haijaba miyoi ma khakna madu sengdokpiyo.
All QUATA Coordinating Committee, in short AKCC, has warned to close down QUATA High School from August 5th if government and relevant department fail to solve the teacher shortage issue in the school. Speaking to media in this regard, Vice President of AKCC, Imphal Raju Khan said QUATA High School has both primary and upper primary sections, and there are 262 students for both the sections. The primary section at the moment do not have any teacher, while the upper primary section has only 5 teachers, including the headmaster. The school is supposed to have at least 10 teachers, but at the moment the school is operating without adequate number of teachers, thus creating uncertainties to the future of students. Locals have been requesting Education Minister, local MLA and other relevant department regarding the issue from the past 2 years. However, they have failed to take any positive action to send required teachers. Therefore, all QUATA Coordinating Committee, AMPYA, Jammutual Ilema QUATA and people of QUATA have resolved to close the school from August 5th until government and relevant authority fulfill their demands.
High school ase leigidaba oja masingja class 1 dena 5 phau oja manga leigidaba se oja amma phobu leiti loina na class 6 tagina 10 phobu leigidaba 10 phau da takpina ba leigidaba oja se hojik phau da oja manga khaktana koi chalairaga leiri aduna masida principal masa yaugrabani maram aduna aikoi high school lamada oja manga khakna chalairaga leiba haibase yamna pendaba angangsingda niyom chumna laik takpiba tambiba ngamaroi dobu ki phibam amada leirabanina aikoi school asi lakliba ningthokaba numitagi akoi oja tharaktriba phawba close toksinba tare masigi damakta aikoina ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯦ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯥꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯆꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ.
The Rongmei Naga Council of Manipur, Tefa Langwarian, has announced that it will impose a flash ban on National Highway number 37 and Tongjai Maril Road starting from midnight of August 4th to August 5th. The ban is planned as a response to the non-compliance with several memoranda submitted to the Chief Minister, Nongthoman Bireng, seeking for inclusion of Rongmei villages under Churachandpur and Kangpokpi districts in Nonit district, as these villages have been politically and economically marginalized by majority community in Kangpokpi and Churachandpur districts. The use of electrical appliances such as refrigerator and washing machines and other items have increased in every household. It has become a necessity, but when these appliances breaks down, it is up to few engineers and mechanics who knows how to fix them. Breaking gender stereotype, Sangmanabi Oinam, a young field engineer, has successfully taken up the role of fixing these home appliances, earning good income out of the profession. SKTV News Chief Reporter Kethrmim Premchand brings you an exclusive report. Let's take a look. Sangmanabi Oinam, who hails from Maharavi village in Imphal West District, took a 3-month skill development course in 2019 when she was studying in 12th standard. Then she joined JCRE Home Solution as a field engineer while also pursuing her graduation. With the skills she has acquired from the training program, Sangmanabi Oinam started electrical appliances for homes as side hustles alongside her job in JCRE Solution.
सुमाना कोई संगमाई सेंटर जेसीआरई सेंटर अमा लैबको सिदा मोइगी फ्री कोर्स ने फ्री कोर्स ओइना सुमाना लाको मतमदा अइना कंप्यूटर तंबा चपा मतमदा थेंगनरखिबा सर्विस नेबको अदु सिदा सुमाना फील्ड इंजीनियरिंग की पोस्ट खरा लाई आरएसडब्ल्यू की कोर्स खरा लाई हना हाबिदुदा अइना हाफे ट्राई तौबने अदा कोइ मी 30 तमिनरको मतमदा अइ तोमता नुपी दुम ओइगीको अदु ngasi अदुदगी कोइ 30 दुदगी मनुंग आई तोमदा नुपी ओइरे अदु तुम तमगा था अहुम खक्की कोर्स से तौरागा को फ्री कोर्स से तौरागा फील्ड दुम लागा दुम वर्क से दुम तौबो ngam जॉब प्लेसमेंट पीपा मतमदा जेसीआरई होम सॉल्यूशन दा जॉब प्लेसमेंट पीबीरेबको अदु ट्रेनिंग लोरगा दुम कंटिन्यू से दुम फील्ड चटपा हवे सीगी लामिन से एक्सपीरियंस है तारदी फील्ड तारा तारा को आगी ट्रेनिंग दु खक्तना दुम लपुं भाबदी ओइगी दे अदु तारा कुसु तम्मा कांदा चला कांदा मागी प्रॉब्लम खुदिमक्से अदुम तम दुम खंगेबको अदो हुजिकते दुम आइगोंदा प्रॉब्लम लाइत्रा हातारे दुम लोइना सेमबा ngame.
She has now completed 6 years in this profession and visits about 6 residences on daily basis to fix electrical appliances including refrigerator and washing machines. By pursuing the profession, she is supporting her family and also bearing expenses for her brother's education.
Fridge washing machine sina namna field chalaga semebako ado atopa rice cooker gumba adagi atopa home appliance masa singse sisina dum yumda natraga khoi in house office ta gumba dum semjayebako induction gumba sina manungda dum seme aduduga akhoi gi sugumba achaw ba haitare puthok pusinda na tai cha da ba haitare ko khoi miro lejada ba ade puthok pusinda na tai cha da ba singjina yumda chalaga seme sumaina motor gumba sinba khopasi oi taraga di nongmada ahum gumba di chappa ngame aduna taba atopa problem gumba oi taraga di ko nongmada yamabada taruk pokti dum sema chappa ngame ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯅꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ 6ꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯊꯥꯗ 30,000ꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯕꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ 45,000ꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯅꯗꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯕꯕꯥꯅ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔꯅꯦ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔꯅꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯏꯪꯒꯣꯜ ꯀꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯖꯩꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ
Sangbanabi Oinam has appealed the youths in the state to utilize their time wisely and to take up any skill and aim for financial independence.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯇꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯣꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯒꯗꯧꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯏ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯒꯗꯧꯅꯦ ꯑꯦꯂꯔꯠ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯧꯅꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯧꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯐꯪꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯡꯈꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯚꯦꯂꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯨꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯩ ꯆꯥꯔ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯏꯀꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯀꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯉꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ.
If we are diligent and dedicated to our work, we will achieve our success like Sangbanabi. The government has sanctioned significant funds for skill development program. So what are our youths waiting for? Let's not waste our time and let's become the skilled individuals and live sustainable life. With camera person Vital Yambem, this is Sktv'S Primetime, reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.
Now the sports news. In Olympics, Indian men's hockey team defeated Australia in their final group stage match of the ongoing Paris Olympics. India beat Australia by 3-2 with the help of 2 goals from skipper Harmanpreet and 1 goal from Abhishek. With the win, India has booked its place for the knockout stages. Meanwhile, in badminton, India's Lakshya Sen will play Taipei's DC Chow in the quarter-final match tonight. The match is scheduled to start at 9:05 p.m. Indian double medal winning shooter Manu Bhaker has qualified by 25 meters pistol event. She finished second in the qualification with a score of 590 points. In Kung Fu, Kickboxing and Kung Fu Association KKFA Mulund organized a day-long inter-club Kung Fu championship at Mulund, Maharashtra under the sponsorship of Cloud9, Vedanta Impacts and Core Mid Catering Mulund. The championship was organized under the aegis of All India Kung Fu Federation. 70 players from different clubs of 4 districts in Maharashtra participated in the competition and competed in Sanda, Taolu Weapon and Bar Hand, Suizao, Henda Pro Fight events. Mumbai Division Mulund Fighters 1 team was the winner, while Columbia team was the runner team. Team winners and individual winners were awarded medal, trophy and citation. The winners in individual and group category will qualify to participate in the state-level Kung Fu Federation of Maharashtra this year. Now the weather report. As per a report from Meteorological Center Imphal, various areas across all districts of Manipur received rainfall today. Imphal received 42.7 millimeter rainfall, while Tamenglong received 58.3 millimeters of rainfall. 72.4 millimeter rainfall was recorded at Bishnupur district, 20 millimeter rainfall in Sanapati, 26 millimeter in Churachandpur, 20 millimeter rainfall in Kamjong, 23.5 millimeter rainfall in Chandal and 14 millimeter rainfall in Ukhrul district. According to ICAR Regional Center Lamphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 28.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 97% in the morning and 98% in the evening. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Opposition MLA K. Ranjit raises the issue of non-declaration of results for multitasking staff's recruitment in the ongoing assembly session. Education Minister says government will try to declare the result after assembly session. Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sanadawa draws the attention of Parliament towards slow progress in construction of National Sports University. NITE and MAR leaders agrees to make joint efforts in restoring peace and normalcy in Jiribam district. Well, that's all we have today. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website, that is skyic.in, to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app for free. SKTV iOS app is now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur. Till then, good night.